What's up, guys? Today we're doing another video. So we want to see what happens when you dry slime. So we decided to do that. From earlier today, from our previous video, we decided to dry the slime to see what would happen. So pretty much, they just turned into pancakes, to be honest. Pancakes. Just pancakes. Feel the top? Feel it. Isn't that weird? It's like solid. It's just dry.
Yes.
Just dry.
Very dry.
Now let's see how the other ones reacted. So, the marble right here, marble one, which I just had a marble fall out of it, feels pretty much the same as the other.
But the bottom is slimy.
Yeah, pretty wet. Now we have the glitter one that we made. This one. Oh, look at that! The color's starting kind of come out of them.
That's
actually pretty.
That one's soaked.
Yeah, this one is sopping wet. This is
Yes.
the top.
Wait, hold on. Let me
Pretty much
focus.
the
It's
same.
kind of blurry. There we go.
That's the top there. Now for the very last one. This right here is the BB one, which was one of my favorites because of just how it felt. It'd be good for massages, I guess. Here,
Can you come in the shade?
Take a spoon.
Come in the shade. Hold on. Let me focus.
This one.
And it's got a pretty slimy back, but the top's pretty dry.
Yeah, it's just kind of like borax, I guess you could say. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.